It's Westervelt Ecological Services. Time for conservation.
You know, it's an unbelievable conservative effort that the state of West Virginia and the Department of Natural Resources has put together here at Stonewall Jackson Lake. They have implemented a stocking program for muskie. To actually harvest or keep a muskie, it has to be 52 inches or larger. They're really practicing catch and release. You know, the muskie actually, because they eat so many fish in this lake, they regulate the rest of the fish. And it's really cool what the DNR is doing right here in our home state of West Virginia to make sure they manage how many fish and the growth of this lake.